Hello everyone, welcome to Sunshine Classes. So children, in the last class you have learned the Indian and international place value chart, and also you have learned how to write the number names in Indian and international place value system. So children, today in this session let us learn the face value of a digit and the place value of a digit. First, let us learn face value of a digit. So, what do you mean by the face value? So, face value means the face value of a digit in a number is the value of the digit irrespective of its place in number. It means it is the value of the digit itself. Okay, there is no change in the face value. That is face value. If I write this number, so whenever you see this number, what you will say? It is 1. And if I write like this, you will say by seeing this, it has 5. And so you will say this as 9. So whenever you see the number, you will just take its name, is it? You say this as 5, you say this as 9, you say this as 1. You can't say 1 as 2, you can't say 5 as 6, and you can't say 9 as 2 or 3. So here, whenever you see, you identify the number, is it? You identify the number by seeing it. So that is nothing but its value. So this number has its value as 1, and this number has its value as 5, and here this number has its value as 9. So the value of the number or the digit itself, this is called as a digit value, number or a digit. So here the value of the digit itself is the face value. Okay, so face value has its own value, it doesn't change irrespective it may be in any place, either in tens, in hundreds, or in thousands place. The face value will remain always the same, it will not change for any place, any place value. Okay, for example, you can see here, in the example you can see, okay, in this, in a number 756,243, the face value of 7 is 7, and face value of 5 is 5, face value of 6 is 6, 2 is 2, 4 is 4, and 3 is equal to 3 itself. There is no change in the face value. Then coming to the place value, I think now it is clear for you. Okay, face value. Then coming to the place value. So what do you mean by place value? So in the place value chart, that is in Indian and international place value chart, you have seen the places. So which are the places here? That is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, k lakh, 10 lakh. So these are the places. So, and here if a number is given 3, 2, 4, 1, okay, so here how to find out the place value? Yes, if it is asked the place value of 2 in 3, 2, 4, 1, okay, you have to identify the place value of 2 in 3, 2, 4, 1. So first what we need to see? We need to see that 2 is in which place? 2 comes in which place? 2 comes in either ones place or tens place or hundreds place or thousands place. So here we can see that 2 is in hundreds place. Is it? 2 is in hundreds place. Therefore, the place value 2 into 100. The place value of 2 is 2 into 100 because 2 is in hundreds place. Therefore, the place value will be 2 into 100. In which place it stands, you have to multiply that number by that place. So, here this is the place value 100. 2 is in hundreds place. So, you are multiplying the number by 2. So, you will get its place value as 200. Okay. Then, if it is asked the place value of 4 in 3241. So here now we can see here 4 is in tens place. So what we need to do? We should multiply 4 into 10 because 4 is in tens place. So multiply the number by 10. Then you will get the place value. So 4 tens is 40. Okay. And the place value of 1. Yes. 1 is in 3241. 1 into 1 only. Because 1 is in 1's place. Therefore, you are multiplying by 1. 1 into 1. The place value of 1 is 1 here. And what is left here? One more place value of 3. Okay. So, I'll write it here. The place value of 3 is 3 into. See here 3 is in which place? Thousands place. 3 is in thousands place. So, multiply 3 into 1000. That is equal to 3000. So, this is the place value. If it is asked place value of 2, then you have to write only place value of 2. If it is asked place value of 4, then 4. Whichever digit is underlined or circled and the place value of it is asked, then you have to write the place value of that particular underlined or circled digit. Or if it is asked to write the place value of all the numbers, then you have to write it like this. Okay. Each and every number you have to write. Then next coming to the, see here in the picture you can see an example. Okay. Find the place value of each of the digit in its in the number 2,37,456. So what it is asked? Find the place value of each digit. So each digit's place value you should find. Okay. So now here the number is given 2,37,456. So now you can see here place value of 6. So it is they are starting always from the ones place. So there is a rule, whenever you start either addition or subtraction, so always you have to start from the ones place only, then move towards your left hand side. So here first you need to write the numbers in its place value. Like this you have to make the table and write the numbers in its places. Okay. Then it will be clear for us that which digit will come in which place. So 6 is in ones place, 5 is in tens place, 4 is in hundreds, 7 is in thousands, 3 is in 10,000s and 2 is in lakhs place. So by writing this, we easily identify that which number is in which place. Okay. And then later we can multiply the face value by the value of the place. Okay. So here it is there now, place value of a digit is face value of the digit into value of the place in number. That is you are multiplying in which place it stands, you are multiplying the number by that place. Then place value of 6. So as I explained here for this example, in the same way, place value of 6 is equal to 6 into 1 is equal to 6 because 6 is in ones place. Then place value of 5 is 5 into 10, that is 50. Okay. Then 4 is 4 into 100 because 4 is in hundreds place. And place value of 7 is 7 into 1000, that is 7000. And place value of 3 is 3 into 10,000 because 3 is in 10,000's place. So multiply 3 by 10,000. So the answer will be 30,000. And the place value of 2 is lakh. 2 into 1 lakh, that is 2 lakhs. Okay. Then next coming to the expanded form of a number. So what do you mean by the expanded form? S. So here the question is given, write the expanded form of 4,27,859. So what you need to do, you have to write this number in the expanded form. Expanded form means nothing but you are expanding each digit with its place value. So first what we need to do, we should make the column ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, then lakh, and write each digit to its respective place. So start from 9, 5, 8, 7, 2 and 4. So now we come to know which digit is in which place. Okay. Now what we need to do? Yes, we'll start from 4 while writing from this side. But while writing the expanded form, always you have to start from the last digit. Okay. So 4 into 4 is in 1 lakh's place. So after 1 lakh, see here how many digits are there. After 4, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So write here 4 into 1. 4 ones are 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That number of zeros. 5. Okay, 5 zeros you have to write. Then plus 4 over, okay, 4 into 1. 4 ones are 4 and these zeros 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number of digits in that place you have to write number of zeros. Then 2 is in 10,000's place. So multiply 2 into 10,000. So 10,000 has 4 zeros. Okay. Yes. Then plus 7 into 1000 plus 8 into 100, because 8 is in hundreds place, 8 is in hundreds place, plus 5 into 10, because 5 is in tens place, then 9 into 1. Okay. Then now what you need to do? You have to multiply here. 4 ones are 4. Then write the number of zeros as it is. How many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Plus 2 into 1 is 2. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. Plus 7 into 1 is 7. Plus how many zeros? 1, 2, 3. Add those zeros there. Then 8 ones are 8. And here these 2 zeros you are writing here. Then this 5 into 1 is 5. Okay, and 1 0. Plus 9 ones are is 9. Understood? Yes. So this is the expanded form. Okay. This is the expanded form of this number. One more example. Small example I will show you. Okay. 7621. So 7621 is in ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So 7 into 1000 plus 6 into 100 plus 2 into 10 plus 1 into 1. That is equal to 7 ones are 7 plus 6 ones are 6 and these 2 zeros plus 2 ones are 2 and this 0 here plus 1 into 1 is 1. So this is the expanded form of the given number. So understood children? Yes. Thank you.